RDX English Learning.
Hello, is this your first visit here?
Yes, it is.
What brings you in today?
I'm not feeling well.
Can you tell me your main concern?
I've been feeling tired lately.
How long have you had this issue?
For about 2 weeks.
Is this the first time you're seeing a doctor for this?
Yes.
Have you had any recent illness?
No, nothing serious.
Are you experiencing pain right now?
Just mild discomfort.
Did something specific cause this problem?
I'm not sure.
Have you taken any medication?
Only over-the-counter medicine.
Are you allergic to any medicines?
No, I'm not.
Do you have a primary care doctor?
No, this is my first one.
Have you visited a hospital recently?
No.
Can you describe your symptoms briefly?
Fatigue and headache.
Are your symptoms getting better or worse?
They're getting worse.
Do you feel sick every day?
Almost every day.
Did you book this appointment in advance?
Yes, I did.
Are you comfortable right now?
Yes.
We'll start with a basic checkup.
Okay.
Do you have any immediate concerns?
I just want to feel better.
Let's begin the consultation.
Thank you, doctor.
Can you describe your symptoms?
I have a constant headache.
Where exactly do you feel the pain?
Mostly on my forehead.
How severe is the pain on a scale of 1 to 10?
Around a 6.
When did the symptoms start?
About 3 days ago.
Is the pain sharp or dull?
It's a dull ache.
Does the pain come and go?
It's there most of the time.
Are you experiencing any other symptoms?
Yes, nausea and fatigue.
Do you have a fever?
A mild one.
Does anything make the pain better?
Rest helps a little.
Does anything make it worse?
Bright lights.
Have you had similar pain before?
Occasionally.
Is the pain affecting your daily activities?
Yes, it's hard to concentrate.
Are you sleeping well?
Not really.
Any vomiting or dizziness?
Some dizziness.
Does the pain spread anywhere else?
Sometimes to my neck.
How often does this happen?
Almost daily.
Have the symptoms changed recently?
They're getting worse.
Are you under stress?
Yes, a lot.
Have you taken pain medication?
Yes, but it doesn't help much.
Thank you for explaining clearly.
You're welcome.
Have you had any major illnesses in the past?
No major illnesses.
Have you ever been hospitalized?
Yes, once for dehydration.
Do you have any chronic conditions?
I have mild asthma.
Are you currently under any treatment?
No.
Have you had any surgeries?
No surgeries.
Do you have any allergies?
I'm allergic to dust.
Does anyone in your family have diabetes?
Yes, my mother does.
Any history of heart disease in your family?
My grandfather had it.
Have your parents had any serious illnesses?
No serious illnesses.
Do you take any regular medications?
Only an inhaler when needed.
Have you ever had high blood pressure?
No.
Any history of mental health issues?
No.
Do you have frequent infections?
Not really.
Have you had any recent vaccinations?
Yes, last year.
Are there any hereditary conditions in your family?
None that I know of.
Have you had COVID-19 before?
Yes, 2 years ago.
Did you recover fully?
Yes.
Do you have any medical records with you?
Yes, I brought them.
Thank you for sharing this information.
You're welcome.
This helps with diagnosis.
I'm glad.
Can you describe your daily diet?
I eat 3 meals a day.
Do you eat a lot of fast food?
Only occasionally.
How many fruits and vegetables do you eat?
About 2 servings daily.
Do you drink enough water?
I try to.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, 3 times a week.
What kind of exercise do you do?
Mostly walking and yoga.
How many hours do you sleep?
Around 6 hours.
Do you smoke?
No.
Do you drink alcohol?
Occasionally.
How stressful is your job?
Quite stressful.
Do you sit for long hours?
Yes, at a desk.
Do you take breaks during work?
Not often.
How is your appetite?
Normal.
Do you drink caffeine?
Yes, coffee daily.
How is your sleep quality?
Not very good.
Do you use electronic devices before bed?
Yes.
Do you feel tired during the day?
Yes, frequently.
Do you follow any special diet?
No.
Would you be open to lifestyle changes?
Yes.
Thank you for answering honestly.
Of course.
I'm going to check your blood pressure.
Okay.
Please roll up your sleeve.
Sure.
Your blood pressure is normal.
That's good to hear.
I'll check your temperature now.
All right.
Take a deep breath, please.
Like this?
I'm listening to your lungs.
Okay.
Please step on the scale.
Sure.
Your weight is within a healthy range.
Great.
I'll measure your height.
Okay.
Let me check your heart rate.
All right.
Does this hurt when I press here?
A little.
I'm going to check your eyes.
Okay.
Please follow my finger.
Got it.
Open your mouth and say, ah.
Ah.
Your throat looks fine.
Good.
I'll check your reflexes.
Okay.
Please relax your arm.
All right.
Everything seems normal so far.
That's reassuring.
The exam is almost done.
Okay.
Thank you for your cooperation.
You're welcome.
Based on the exam, here's my diagnosis.
Okay. Please explain.
You have tension headaches.
What does that mean?
It's caused by stress and muscle strain.
I see.
Is it a serious condition?
No, it's manageable.
Why does it keep happening?
Poor posture and stress.
Is this condition common?
Yes, very common.
Will it go away on its own?
With proper care, yes.
Do I need any tests?
Not at this time.
Could it be something else?
Unlikely, based on symptoms.
Is this related to my lifestyle?
Yes, strongly.
Can lack of sleep cause this?
Absolutely.
Is it related to my eyes?
Not directly.
Can stress alone cause pain?
Yes.
Will this condition worsen?
Not if managed.
Is it permanent?
No.
Do I need to worry?
No need to panic.
Can exercise help?
Yes, light exercise helps.
Thank you for explaining clearly.
You're welcome.
I understand the condition better now.
Good.
What's the next step?
Let's discuss treatment.
What treatment do you recommend?
A combination of medication and lifestyle changes.
Will I need to take medicine?
Yes, for a short period.
What kind of medicine will I take?
A mild pain reliever.
How long will I need the medication?
About 2 weeks.
Will I need physical therapy?
Light stretching exercises are enough.
Do I need bed rest?
No, normal activity is fine.
Should I avoid screen time?
Reduce it as much as possible.
Will stress management help?
Yes, very much.
Are there any non-medication options?
Yes, relaxation techniques.
How soon will I feel better?
Within a few days.
Do I need follow-up visits?
Yes, in 2 weeks.
Can I continue working?
Yes, but take breaks.
Should I change my diet?
Stay hydrated and eat balanced meals.
Will exercise make it worse?
Gentle exercise is fine.
Is massage helpful?
Yes, for muscle tension.
Can I take over-the-counter medicine?
Yes, as advised.
What if the pain doesn't improve?
Come back for reassessment.
Is this treatment safe?
Yes.
I'm okay with this plan.
Great.
Let's start the treatment.
Sounds good.
How many tablets should I take daily?
1 tablet twice a day.
When should I take the medicine?
After breakfast and dinner.
Should I take it with food?
Yes, always with food.
For how many days should I take it?
For 14 days.
What if I miss a dose?
Take it when you remember.
Can I take 2 doses together?
No, never double the dose.
Can I stop the medicine early?
Only after consulting me.
Can I take it at night?
Yes, after dinner.
Should I take it at the same time every day?
Yes, that's important.
Can I take it with other medicines?
Inform me about all medicines.
Can I drink coffee after taking it?
Yes, but in moderation.
Should I drink plenty of water?
Yes, stay hydrated.
Can I crush the tablet?
No, swallow it whole.
Can I take it on an empty stomach?
No, avoid that.
What if I feel better before 14 days?
Complete the course.
Is it okay to take it while traveling?
Yes.
Should I store it in the fridge?
No, room temperature is fine.
What time gap should I keep between doses?
About 12 hours.
Thank you for explaining.
You're welcome.
I'll follow the schedule.
Good.
Are there any side effects?
Mild nausea or dizziness.
Is it normal to feel sleepy?
Yes, slightly.
What should I avoid while taking this medicine?
Avoid alcohol.
Can I drive after taking it?
Avoid driving if drowsy.
Can I exercise normally?
Light exercise only.
Are allergic reactions possible?
Rare, but watch for rashes.
What warning signs should I look for?
Severe pain or fever.
What if I feel worse?
Contact me immediately.
Can I take painkillers with this?
Only approved ones.
Should I avoid certain foods?
Avoid spicy and oily foods.
Can this medicine upset my stomach?
Yes, in some cases.
Should I stop if I feel nauseous?
Call before stopping.
Is long-term use safe?
Not recommended.
Can I drink coffee?
In moderation.
What if I forget precautions?
Follow the instructions carefully.
Can I travel while on medication?
Yes, with caution.
Should I rest more than usual?
Yes.
Is sun exposure okay?
Avoid prolonged exposure.
Thank you for the warning.
You're welcome.
I'll be careful.
Good.
When should I come for a follow-up?
In 2 weeks.
Why is a follow-up important?
To check your progress.
I'm feeling better. Do I still need a follow-up?
Yes, it's necessary.
Should I bring my test reports?
Yes, bring all reports.
Will you review my blood test results?
Yes, I'll explain them.
Are my results normal?
Most values look normal.
Is there any improvement?
Yes, your condition has improved.
Do I need more tests?
One more test may be needed.
Should I continue the same medicine?
Yes, for now.
Can the dosage be reduced?
We'll decide after reviewing progress.
What if symptoms return?
Visit immediately.
Can I stop the medicine after this visit?
Not yet.
How long will recovery take?
About 1 more month.
Is my recovery on track?
Yes, it is.
Can I resume normal activities?
Gradually, yes.
Should I change my diet?
Continue the healthy diet.
Will there be another follow-up?
Yes, after 1 month.
Can I call if I have questions?
Absolutely.
Thank you for checking my progress.
You're welcome.
I'll schedule the next visit.
Good.
How much rest do I need?
At least 7 to 8 hours daily.
Can I go to work during recovery?
Yes, but avoid overexertion.
Should I avoid physical activity?
Avoid heavy exercise.
What kind of diet should I follow?
A balanced, nutritious diet.
Should I eat more fruits?
Yes, especially fresh fruits.
Can I eat junk food?
Avoid it for now.
Is drinking water important?
Very important.
Can I drink alcohol?
No, avoid alcohol.
Should I reduce stress?
Yes, manage stress carefully.
Is sleep important for recovery?
Absolutely.
Can I resume exercise later?
Yes, gradually.
Should I take supplements?
Only if prescribed.
Can I eat spicy food?
Limit spicy food.
Should I monitor my symptoms?
Yes, daily.
Can I travel during recovery?
Short trips are okay.
How long should I follow this routine?
For at least 1 month.
Will lifestyle changes speed recovery?
Yes, significantly.
Can I return to my normal routine soon?
Yes, step by step.
Thank you for the advice.
You're welcome.
I'll follow your guidance.
Good.
Do you have any final questions?
Just one more, doctor.
Can I call if I have doubts later?
Yes, anytime during office hours.
What should I do if symptoms return?
Visit immediately.
Is there anything I should avoid completely?
Avoid alcohol and stress.
When is my next appointment?
In 1 month.
Should I continue the medicines till then?
Yes, exactly as prescribed.
Can I stop the medicine if I feel fine?
No, complete the course.
Do I need another test before the next visit?
No, not right now.
Will I fully recover?
Yes, with proper care.
Can I resume my normal routine soon?
Yes, gradually.
Should I keep track of my symptoms?
Yes, make a note daily.
Can I travel before the next visit?
Short trips are okay.
Is follow-up mandatory?
Yes, it's important.
Thank you for your time, doctor.
You're welcome.
I feel more confident now.
That's good.
Where do I collect my prescription?
At the reception desk.
Should I share this with my family?
Yes, keep them informed.
What's the emergency contact?
It's on your prescription.
See you next month.
Take care until then.
Goodbye, doctor.
Goodbye and stay healthy.